Testing version 499. Reels are back! Oh, they are crashing all the time. Fortunately, comics work really well. Well, except the numbers on the previous frame, but all the rest works well. Including edition with 6 frames. You can share, you can preview, everything works well. Well done, developers. If you are working on comics and then you want to create a reel in the same session, be patient because the transition takes a long time. Oh no! The exported video is a disaster. Totally incorrect. Developers, please, this shouldn't be public. When you are working with the video, it looks well. The problem is the exported video. Deleting speech bubbles crashes the app. Several processes are lagging, opening the app, switching between products, among others. Background music plays from the beginning of the video. That hasn't been corrected. Some props flip correctly, but not all of them. The worst! Reels and video have the wrong camera focus on the exported video. This reel is the best example of this problem. Unfortunately, version 499 is not working. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for watching.